Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna do get ready with me. I am stepping out, so I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna get dressed and step outside. So yeah, so let's get right into this video. Hey guys, I'm back. I just showered, yes, and I did my brows off camera, and I applied my primer already. And this is the primer I'm using. I'm using the Cover FX primer. Yes, that's what I use. And now I am going to apply my foundation. The foundation I'm going to use is NARS, and my shade is Tao. Yes, this is my shade, and I'm going to use that foundation brush to apply it. Okie dokie. And now I am going to use my primer, and the primer I'm going to use, concealer. The concealer I'm going to use is the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS. This is it right here. What's my shade in this one? Medium dark one. This is the one I'm using. Biscuit, yeah. Now I'm using the entire sponge, just in case I have excess foundation on my face, just to blend everything nicely. And now guys, I am going to use my my buffing brush to blend my makeup even better. I don't like when I have harsh lines and when you can kind of like see the makeup, and I don't like when my makeup look cakey, so that's why I don't put too much foundation. I don't put too much makeup, just so that my makeup can look nice, protect my skin. You know what I'm saying? That's what I like. I don't like a cakey face, you know. Oof, too much. Nah. And now I am going to use some powder, and this is the powder I'm gonna use. Airspun powder. I have that powder for a while. It's a loose powder. So I'm not going to bake my face or anything, but I'm just gonna apply some of that powder on my T-zone, of course. And now, while I have the powder on my face, I'm gonna use, it's my Ray Ray palette, and I'm gonna use that her contour. I'm gonna contour my face using one of her dark shades. I'm gonna use Mocha. Right above the powder line, that's where I'm gonna apply it. And then my forehead. My face some definition, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then I'm gonna use a smaller brush for my nose. And now I am going to use my Sephora powder. This is a micro smooth powder from Sephora. I love this powder, just to remove the loose powder on my face. And I'm gonna use my powder brush to do that. And now I am going to highlight my face. This is my favorite part when I do makeup. And I'm going to use this and that. No, not this one. This is too light for me. I'm going to use this and the dark one right here. But this is my favorite right here. This one. This is the one I use the most. My makeup is basically done. I don't even know what color I should wear on my lips. I think I'm gonna use red today. I don't know. I just like red. And to highlight myself a little more, I'm gonna use my artist couture right here. Artist couture. And that highlight, it's gold, but once you apply it to you, it's kind of like purple. See, it looks purple. Oh my god, so pretty. I am looking purple. Yeah, it's summer. I love the shimmer. I'm going to apply my lipstick and mascara off camera. Oh, I forgot something important to do. My blush. Let's apply my blush, honey. I'm here for the glow. Oof. Somebody's glowing, sis. I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I was going to wear red lipstick, so I decided to wear pink instead. I hope you like it. I'm gonna fix my edges and I'll be back. Well, this is the final look. I'm gonna put some earrings, maybe a necklace, and I'll be out and about. I'll show you my outfit later. That's it guys, I'm done. I'm leaving. Later.